How to download Windows 10 in 2026 for free and from official sources. So let's get started. So as you all know, Microsoft removed the download option of Windows 10 official ISO file. So now you cannot download from the main page of that website. But we have a simple trick which we can unlock the file and download it in our PC. So in order to do that, what you have to do is open Google Chrome and search for Windows 10, and once you type this, you will find this first link. Just click on the first link, and here as you can see, you cannot download any Windows 10 ISO file. You can just update now, and you can just create Windows 10 installation media. You cannot download ISO file. So in order to download ISO file, what you have to do is you have to click on these three dots and go to the more tools option and click on developer tools. Once you do this, you have to go to the three dots again and click on more tools, and you have to click on network conditions. Once you do this, just scroll down a bit from here. As you can see the user agent, just uncheck the box and make sure it is set on Chrome OS. Once you do this, just reload this page, and once this reload, you will get the ISO file. Let me show you. Just scroll down a bit, and as you can see, Windows 10 2023 update. Just select the edition, Windows 10 multi edition ISO, and hit confirm. Now choose language, just click on English United States and click confirm again. Now what you have to do is, if your PC is 32-bit, download for 32-bit. If your PC is 64-bit, you have to download for 64-bit. Now just click on 64-bit and it will ask you to download this ISO file. I'm just going to download it on desktop. Once you do this, press Ctrl J, and here you will find your ISO file which will be downloading. So yes, if this video was helpful for you guys, please consider subscribing, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.